Hello again, welcome back. We're on another tour down the south coast, this one in Hastings. Now we have done Hastings before previously, but not for a while, so we're going to have a little look about. We'll have a look through the shopping centre bit first of all. Now the weather conditions are not great, it's been sort of raining on and off all day. Not heavy rain, but rain all the same. Not going to stop us filming, so we're going to have a look. We'll go to the indoor centre first of all. A quick look about. Well, plenty of shops open. Not too busy either. It's around about 4 o'clock, so it's not too late. But it is a midweek. The previous videos I've done last time, I was in Hounslow and it was a lot busier than this, that's for sure. Go back outside again. As I say, the weather's not great, but it's only light rain, it's not heavy. And this is a series of videos we're going to be doing on the south coast. We're here for a few days, so we're going to have a look at Hastings, Bexhill, Eastbourne if we have time, and Hailsham. Now, Hailsham's not technically on the south coast. Or not on the seaside anyway, it's just set back slightly. It is on the south coast, but not on the seafront as Bexhill, Hastings and Eastbourne are. As I say, we have done Hastings before. I do know the area quite well, been coming down here many years. Quite a busy town, cosmopolitan. Quite diverse as well, not as much as London or any of the big cities, but there is quite a mixture. Not so much in towns like Bexhill or Eastbourne, but as it's sort of on the coast and it's quite a large town, there's an influx of different people. Rooks and Dub Style at the Pig, we said in that poster, just having a look at it. I do remember the name. We'll have a look up here. Owens across the road. That used to be Debenhams, as I recall. It's been gone a few years now. As I say, I've been coming here many years. A lot of these pubs and that haven't changed much. Yates is probably the newer one. And even that's been here a good 10-15 years. The Havelock over there. Yeah, I've been quite a few of the eateries here over the years. Another one there. NUR, or NUR, as we call it. It's actually Armenian, that one. Armenia's sort of near Turkey. It does some pretty authentic sort of dishes. There's some nice steak in there, actually. Rosa, the proprietor. Yeah, a bit early for me though, but I think that's new. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Queens. It looks new. Cocktail bar. And then another one there, Barnaby's Lounge. They look a bit more upmarket. Little is it gastro pubs they call them? Micro pubs. Yeah, that looks like it's having a shop fit. Bit of work going on there. Yeah, some shops have changed since last time I was here actually. Some of the names. I did hear that Hastings is getting a lot of people coming from London. The art scene is starting to thrive here. Young people who can't afford the rents in London are moving out to the coast. Margate being another one. Music shop there. Cheese on Sea. There's a little passageway at the back here. I don't know if I did go down there last time. You know, have a quick look. See if it's open. There we go. This might be where the arty scene I was talking about is thriving. It was here that travelling musicians and hippies would arrive all dusty from hitchhiking through Europe, Afghanistan or Holland. So there you go. It's made out of tile, actually. It's only just been laid because they've actually got the actual packers inside it. Interesting. A lot of graffiti. That's it. That's about as far as it goes. It's the back of a restaurant or something. It's weird, it's got these little benches. Not sure what it's like here at the night time. That scaffolding's been up there. The last time I was here, that was over a year ago. You can tell that by all the moss. So I don't know what they're doing there. I do like the old fire escapes, mind you, of New York, like that, those old metal ones like this. You used to see it in those old films of New York. Very rusty, obviously many, many years old. Yeah, interesting, I'm sure you'll agree. What a big little gates as well. Right, onwards. Little splash of colour on these BT boxes. Old vinyl record shop. I always like to see an old vinyl record shop. Yeah, so quite a lot of it's the same as I was last here, but there was a few new ones. Bricks and bits. We'll walk back down and we'll probably take a walk into the old town and have a look, see if there's anything new there. These little micro pubs, they're definitely new. Carry on. As I say, that Owens, it looks like that's closed and all. That was Debenhams. And the Grumpy Cook. Bet there's a few of them about. A bakery. Renowned bread and rolls. Millets, now that's an old shop. I remember that from my youth. But yeah, pretty much. Driving away. They're saying a lot of banks are closing now, and they're all going to be like people's banking needs are going to be met by these hubs. So all the banks will merge and just have one outlet. People go to pay in cheques or withdraw money. Yeah, I think you can do it at the post office now. So I think that's probably the way forward. There we go. Bit of Junior Marvin. What's not to like? See the youth hanging around, listening to the music. Do like a bit of reggae myself, that's to be said. Right, we're going to head to Hastings Old Town now, under the bridge. There's usually a lot of street beggars under here, but there's none here at the moment. In fact, it's probably the first time I've been noticed them. I'm sure that one's new. It looks newish. Fish and chip shop. Oh, that's closed. That one there was Italian. That's been there for many years. In the corner there. Oh, look at that big empty space. I remember eating in there a few times. He's enjoying himself. The old arcades. Not many people in them either. Then again, it's not a great day, but it is raining, so when it's raining you normally get them filled up. Wet paint, looks like they're doing a bit of maintenance in there. Still open though by the look of it. Now, it seems very quiet down here, but as I say, it is midweek. It's not a weekend. In fact, it's very empty. See what's open, as we'll probably come down here for something to eat later. Now, some of the shops down here are only open on certain days of the week. Anushka. There's two of them, one in the newer part of the town, one in the older part. Well, most of the shops are open. But then again, a lot of them are not open or closed. Is that one? that's pretty much it. Down George Street, pedestrian zone. There is a bit more when you walk up the high street here, a few shops which I've done in a previous video. But it does seem very quiet. That could well be because it's a Tuesday rather than a Friday or a Saturday. And we're not into full season yet. See, I think this restaurant, another one I've been in, Two Balls, is only open on 3 days a week. Probably tell you here. Well, it's got the menu, but not the opening hours. They're not there anyway. Opening times Thursday and Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So there you go. It's only open 4 days a week. That's pretty much it. Turn your bike into an e-bike. The old pump house is a nice pub.